everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to enable the PDC option in the payment voucher in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to the accounts module. Here, we have to click on the all vouchers menu under the accounts module. On this page, we have to select the date range. And we have to select the voucher type as payment voucher. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. Now the payment voucher details will be displayed on the screen. Here we have to click on the edit symbol. On this payment voucher page, now we have to select the instrument type as check. Once we have to select the check option, the below mentioned details will be displayed on the screen. Now we have to click on the PDC checkbox. Then we have to click on the Save Changes button. This is how to enable the PDC option in the payment voucher in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.